Okay, and would you like a dessert, sir? A dessert? Why would I like a dessert in a restaurant? Aha, got it. You mean dessert. What's the difference? When you put the stress on the first syllable, dessert, it means. But if you put the stress on the second syllable, dessert, then it means. Stick around to the end to avoid making such embarrassing mistakes. What exactly is word stress? Words are made up of one or more syllables. A syllable is a single unit of sound in a word, and counting the number of syllables is a piece of cake. Here's a simple trick. Place your hand under your chin and pronounce the word slowly. Every time your chin drops, that's one syllable. Let's try it with the word banana. See how many times my chin drops. Banana. Banana. My chin drops 3 times, which means the word banana has 3 syllables. In English, not all syllables are pronounced the same. Some syllables are stressed, meaning they are pronounced louder and longer, while other syllables are unstressed, meaning they are pronounced shorter and softer. For example, in the word computer, the stress falls on the second syllable. You can clearly hear that the P part is pronounced louder and longer than the other syllables. And that's all because it is stressed. Can we identify the number of syllables using a dictionary? Sure. Almost all dictionaries have this cool feature. They not only show you the number of syllables, but also the stress syllable. Here's the step-by-step process. First, look up the word in an online or paper dictionary. Most dictionaries break down words into syllables with dots between them. For example, in the word photograph, there are 2 dots, and each section separated by a dot represents 1 syllable. So the word photograph has 3 syllables. 1, 2, and 3. Dictionaries also show which syllable is stressed. The stressed syllable is marked with a short vertical line before the stressed syllable. So the stress mark before pho represents that the first syllable is stressed. So it is photograph. Photograph. By the way, the symbols enclosed in slashes represent the exact pronunciation of the word photograph using the International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA. F, O, T, A, G, R, A, F. Photograph. Photograph. If you're eager to dive deeper into the IPA or the International Phonetic Alphabet, there is no better place to start than with Rachel's English. Rachel offers a fantastic playlist that breaks down the IPA step by step, focusing on American English pronunciation. Here's a must-know tip. In English, all words have at least 1 stressed syllable. Interestingly, some words might have more than 1 stressed syllable. In those cases, there is 1 primary stress and 1 secondary stress. The primary stress gets the most emphasis, while the secondary stress is a bit softer but still noticeable. An example of a word with both primary and secondary stress is occupation. Occupation. The short vertical mark above the line represents the primary stress, while the short vertical mark below the line shows the secondary stress. So the primary stress falls on the 3rd syllable. The secondary stress falls on the 1st syllable. When you say the word occupation, you should emphasize the 3rd syllable the most, but there is a slight emphasis on the 1st syllable as well. But it's not as strong as the 3rd syllable, the primary stress. So it is occupation. Occupation. Here are a few more examples. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. The word pronunciation has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 syllables. The primary stress falls on the fourth syllable, A, and the secondary stress falls on the second syllable, none. So it is pronunciation. Pronunciation. International. International. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How about one-syllable words? Well, there is no need to worry about the stress in one-syllable words, such as cat and desk, because there is only one syllable and that syllable is naturally stressed. And that explains why there is no stress mark in the phonetic transcription of one-syllable words. That's it for today's video on word stress. Leave a comment if you have any questions or topics that you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.